Solflare app. The pros, the cons. The Solflare app has quickly become one of the go-to wallets for Solana users, but is it really the best choice for managing your Sol and other assets? Let's dive into the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, Solflare is built specifically for the Solana blockchain, meaning it's highly optimized for speed and performance. Transactions on Solana are already lightning fast, and Solflare takes full advantage of that efficiency. You can send, receive, and stake Sol tokens in seconds, often for just a fraction of a cent in fees. Another huge advantage is staking integration. Solflare lets you easily delegate your Sol to validators directly within the app, earning passive income without leaving your wallet. It's one of the simplest staking experiences available, perfect for both beginners and seasoned crypto users. The app also supports NFTs and DeFi, giving you a complete Solana experience in one place. You can connect directly to Wii apps, manage NFT collections, and explore decentralized exchanges, all through the same interface. When it comes to security, Solflare offers both a browser extension and mobile app, with Ledger hardware wallet support for those who prefer cold storage. Your private keys never leave your device, which is essential for maintaining full control of your assets. Now for the cons. Because Solflare is limited to the Solana ecosystem, it's not ideal if you hold tokens from other blockchains like Ethereum or Bitcoin. It's great at what it does, but it's not a multi-chain wallet. Additionally, some users have reported minor sync or connection issues with Solana dApps during heavy network traffic, though this is more a Solana issue than Solflare itself. In summary, Solflare is an excellent choice for anyone invested in the Solana ecosystem. It's fast, secure, and user-friendly, offering seamless access to staking, NFTs, and DeFi. But if you're looking for a more versatile, all-chain wallet, you might need something broader. For Solana lovers, however, Solflare is hard to beat.